stand no chance, it ain't Wakanda. They marvel when I stay them from a number. Like, why you hiding way down under? You ever see the game get stalked by a hunter? This ain't a game no more, it's just hunger. Some of these AK rappers are the biggest cappers on the planet, so I have to put them asunder. Yeah, I rap with an accent, but on the average, your action show that it's actually blackness you blunder. Then it was your women who stood up when your skipper threw slurs and threatened that they'll do what they did to ASAP's crew to me. Didn't hear a peep from you. Yeah, seen it before, though I know it well. Praise the culture with the people, they can go to hell. So quit saying nigga in your songs and cling to your own lexicon. Yeah, hold your L. Bring big on my Z-tip to all these basics. To racists, I don't shake fists, so pray for patience. Their patience who need faceless, so it's urgent care I engage in. I'm playing, but the Lord knows if they hit me up, it changes. Do not get my numbers and my lines conflated. I've set free Palestine for ages, but also in Sudan, genocide is raging. And in the Congo, we can find the same thing. And nobody tries to say this, but they thinking when the Africans die, it ain't quite as heinous. I'm sick of us versus Jamaicans, fighting with BAs and hurts relations, face it. All of that external labeling in turn makes internal hatred. That's a body, that's a body. They better call forensics. Shit we do, call forensics. Body, they better call forensics. That's a body. They better call forensics. Shit we do, call forensics. Body, they better call forensics. Ancestors were polygamous, maybe why I'm wedded to all these different forms of rhythm and ways I could deliver it. And I teach it MCs to be more deliberate and less frivolous when they spit their flow and lyric and just consider it. Make me sit with it for a minute and they'll probably sound much less ridiculous. Way I eat these rappers, I don't need no extra vitamins. Neurodivergent, feel like I'm colder, so I do everything perfect. And if I don't, I'ma go into a recursion. I think everyone got a little bit of circus, but some of y'all the clowns can relate to such a person. I know everyone got a little bit of serpent, but I'm trying to crush mine, so I'm trying to serve it. Homie, what's a punchline if you ain't got a purpose? You can make a butt wine, I can make the earth spin on its axis. About to change your world right now, I'm getting practice. Got Jacob Collier, he following and tapped it. Even Luke Pay had to get in on the action. That's what happens when you move within your purpose and do everything that you said you will pursue. Don't get confused, what exudes out the mouth of many dudes. Never met, just was exhumed. That's the archaeology of Dookie talk. Quit talking furious like Paul Drew and do the walk. And don't forget what I'm about, cuz a loudspeaker with the ways I make a louder. Pedestal heroes looking plainer on the ground, cuz guess I'm elevated. More selective with the people that I celebrate with, and more attentive with the things I fill my dinner plate with. Bodies are Timberland, sometimes you gotta renovate it. We ain't the same class, review the weights in case you end up like Drake, who wanted beef, and not like Jay, who acted meek because he knew the stakes. Talk wise and chalk lines accumulate. They better call forensics. Shit we do, call forensics. Body, they better call forensics. That's a body. They better call forensics. Shit we do, call forensics. Body, they better call forensics. Main stages with the bigger lights, name framed up in the headlines. drums, guitars, and BVs. Brass section like a second